Hello everyone, welcome back to section 7, safer driving, fill in the gaps. As always, to get the best out of these videos, make sure you prepare yourself as if you are in an exam condition. That means put all distractions away, all electronic devices away. Make sure you wear some headphones preferably and really try your best. In this video, there are going to be 10 questions. As always, I will give you a few seconds to pick an answer. Time to pause the video, then pick an answer. And then, of course, as always, I will reveal the answer. There are 10 questions. Do try your best. But before we start the video, I just want you guys to watch a quick little clip. Hello, everyone. I want to introduce you guys to the new SERU version 2 Ultimate Guidebook. Now, I've made a version 1 before, but this is version 2 with different sets of questions. The perfect tool to use if you are preparing for the upcoming SERU exam. This book covers sections from 1 to 10 with multiple choice, making sure you are prepared for every section. You can use this when you're at home, at work, whenever you are free. This is the perfect revision tool. The questions in this handbook will not be in any of my videos, so these are exclusive questions only for the handbook. So scan the QR code that's on the screen right now with your phone and it will take you guys to the website. This is something that will 100% help you if you are preparing for the SERU exam. I wish you guys the best of luck. That's right guys, the new SERU book is out. If you are interested in it, do make sure you scan the QR code somewhere on the screen right now. If you are not able to scan the QR code, make sure you go check the description on the YouTube video. There will be a link and it will take you to the website. It's a really good tool for those who are preparing for the SERU exam. It will really help you. So I do advise you guys to purchase the book if you are if you are struggling with the SERU exam, if you're struggling in preparing yourself. Yeah, and some of the videos on all the questions on that book, none of them are going to be on the YouTube channel. This is just so because I want people who are paying for the book to actually get get their money's worth from it. That's why all of those questions in the book that I put in, they're not going to be on the YouTube videos. These questions will only be available for people who have paid for the book, just so it's fair on those who have paid. But apart from that, let's get started into the questions. We're going to start on question 1. PHV drivers need to keep a careful watch on the blank at all times and be able to interact safely with all other road users, especially those that are more vulnerable, such as blank, cyclists and motorcyclists. So pause the video now and pick an answer. And the answer is B. So PHV drivers need to keep a careful watch on the road, and they need to keep aware, especially of those who are vulnerable, such as pedestrians. Question 2. Drive at a speed within blank limit and one that is appropriate for the situation, blank, and weather conditions. Is the answer A, time, road, B, traffic and speed, C, speed and environment, D, road and emotional? So pause the video now and pick an answer. The answer is C, speed and environment. So drive at speed within the speed limit and one that is appropriate for the situation, environment and weather conditions. Question 3. Most collisions in London are caused by a small number of easy to avoid behaviors, including blank or driving too fast for conditions, making it dangerous maneuvers, getting blank and not following the rules of the road. Is the answer A, speeding / distracted, B, stopping and late, C, turning unaware, or D, braking and lost? So pause the video now and pick an answer. The answer is A, speeding and distracted. Question 4. Think about the blank you make and make sure they are safe. This includes things like looking carefully when pulling out of blank, turning across traffic, or passing cyclists or motorcyclists. Is it A, maneuvers and junction, B, decisions and traffic, C, stops and lights, D, turns and signals? So pause the video now and pick an answer. The answer is A, maneuvers and junctions. So think about the maneuvers you make when pulling out of junctions. Question 5. You need to focus on the blank and be able to react quickly. Don't get distracted by mobile phones and other electronic devices, blank or passenger. Is the answer A, weather and traffic, B, traffic and billboards, C, road and animals, or D, road and music? So pause the video now and pick an answer. The answer is D, road and music. So you need to focus on the road and don't get distracted by things like music. Question 6. If you do need to answer or make a call, you need to stop safely, blank your vehicle and turn the engine blank. Is it A, lock and on, B, park and off, C, leave and running, or D, secure and idle? Pause the video now and pick an answer. The answer is B, park and off. So you need to make sure you stop the vehicle, you park your vehicle, and you turn the engine off. Question 7. Distractions can make you less blank of what is happening on the road and affect your blank. So your decision-making abilities are reduced. Is it A, tired and driving, B, aware and judgment, C, conscious and actions, D, informed or decisions? So pause the video now and pick an answer. The answer is B, aware and judgment. So you need to, distractions make you less aware and it can affect your judgment. Questions 8. Careless or blank driving is a serious offense with heavy blank. Is it A, dangerous and penalties, B, fast and warnings, C, reckless and advice, or D, cautious and fines? So pause the video now and pick an answer. The answer is A. So careless or dangerous driving is a serious offense and it can give you penalties. Question 9. You must never drive while you are under under the blank of drugs or blank? Is it A, impact and fatigue, B, effect and medicine, C, influence and alcohol, or D, sway and caffeine? Pause the video now and pick an answer. And the answer is C, influence and alcohol. So you must not drive while you're under the influence of drugs or alcohol. But yeah, guys, that's the end of today's video. That's another section done. I will be uploading section 6 very shortly, fill in the gap, and then I will go back to multiple choice. As always, if you do enjoy these videos, make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit that bell notification, so when I do upload a new video, you are alert, you are the first one to see it. If you are still watching at this point, do make sure you do check my book. I think it's a very, very good tool for those who are preparing for the SERU exam. For those who are struggling to prepare, I think it will be a very good use. It's on discounted price right now, and I believe it will help a lot of you guys. And yeah, if you have any comments, any things you are struggling on, any questions, do leave a comment, and I'll make sure I'll respond to each and one of you guys. Thank you guys for watching. As always, I hope the best for you guys in the upcoming SERU exam. If your exam has been booked, I wish you guys the best. I hope you guys all do well. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys have an amazing day.